As far as fundraising goes, I briefly touched upon our master plan, which is to raise a sufficiently large corpus by 2015 so that the annual returns from that corpus will enable us to take care of many of these needs that spring up on an occasional basis, either related to infrastructure or related to sustainability initiatives or related to student initiatives. Ultimately, I think our collective objective is we want to see IIT Madras take its rightful place among the top X institutions in the world. I don't think 69 is the right place. I don't know where we can get to ultimately. Is top 10 possible? Top 20 possible? I would certainly like to think so. But I think our short-term objective is to be in the top 30. And I think that's very much realizable within the next 2 to 3 years with all of your help and support. Thank you. Just a quick announcement, at 11 o'clock, we will have the spouses and kids program starting in CLT. We have a lot of very interesting things there, everything from mehndi to clay pottery to whatever. So certainly, if the spouses are interested, or even if you're interested, do take the time to visit CLT and see what's going on. Also, lunch, we are expecting about 400 people for lunch, and the caterer has requested that we kind of spread this out so that not all of us descend there at 1 o'clock when this program ends. So I think you can certainly encourage your families to go for an earlier lunch, maybe 12:30. I think we can open up the lunch facilities. I think it will help us run through that a little more easily. Thanks.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your thoughts on this occasion. I now request Gopinathan, sir, President of IIT Madras Alumni Association, to address the audience.
Yeah, interesting talk by Professor Nagarajan as to how alumni can help the institute in achieving the various aims. On the other side, the association wants to know how association can help alumni in various facets, networking or communication or whatever they want. Yeah, next. This is a present set of office bearers. I think we have Mr. Mohan here. Mohan is a treasurer. Madhu. Madhu is the secretary. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, next. So we meet every month. We meet apart from other days and discuss about what to be done for association, alumni, etc., etc. So these are the main things we are focusing on. Starting and increasing the number of chapters inside and outside India, membership development, especially the PG. PG, undergraduates, we have about nearly 80% of the people are registered in our database. But PG, again, is the other way around, 20%. We are trying to get PGs into PG, especially MS and PhD people, into our database. So by organizing specific events related to a discipline, instead of going for the otherwise, people won't attend. If you focus on event based on their specialities, hopefully more PG alumni get connected to each other. Yeah, other one, usual. Financial support, as Nagarajan said, we are having a reunion in Delhi. We are trying to revive the chapter in Hyderabad also. Hopefully before March, we'll have one chapter meet of in Hyderabad also. Yeah, this new initiative we started because Institute recognizes distinguished alumnus people, but Director expressed there are people who don't come to a normal distinguished alumnus route, but whose contribution to alumni or society should be recognized. So that's why we started these 3 awards. And as I said, Professor Kolla got the first award for distinguished service to the institute. Raj Varavarajan, you must be knowing, one of the oldest alumni, active alumni, for distinguished service to alumni. And this best young entrepreneur we gave to Akshay Jain, who is developing, is in industry. He's a naval architect and he's doing Vedam Industries. We put a category of below 35. So below 35, he's doing a good work in Bombay. He employs other engineers for this ship design projects. Yeah. Of course, these are a couple of events we had. Mr. Welcoming Bhaskar on his inauguration, and Muthuraman got his Padma Bhushan. So we are having now, you can see that so many reunions are being done. This, I think, the 5th reunion that's being done. This year we had 5 reunions. This is the last of the reunions. So nowadays, association taken an active part. Our office involves themselves from the beginning of the reunion to make the entire reunion process smoother, and all the constituents, alumni and their wives, families are quite happy with the entire reunion. Next. Yeah, I think Nag took a poll. The people attended. Yeah, this is the same problem the database with Nag has. We have trying to get people into our system. Of course, out of 30,000, there will be some natural losses, but even then, 19,000 is quite a small number. We should at least 30,000 fellows should be registered on our database. Yeah. Next. Yeah, this is a new thing we started. I hope all of you are getting a monthly newsletter. We are planned. We are last thing 18 months is coming on 15th of every month. It carries the news about other alumni, their services, their achievements, weddings, deaths sometimes, and various other things. And now it's become very popular. We are getting contributions from other people. Whoever has done something immediately sends a message to us. I've done this. Can you put it on the paper? So we are getting it. So it's become quite popular. And if you have anything you want to talk about yourself or your batchmate who has done good work, everything else, please send it to us. We'll broadcast the entire alumni network. So actually, chaps are asking for advertising space in that monthly newsletter. When they know the readership is full of IIT alumni, there are a lot of industries who want to advertise their products. We don't want to go for that yet. We are thinking of that, monetizing that. Yeah, next. Plan to issue your book. We issued a yearbook. 2012. Okay, right. Yeah. Next. Yeah, this is another program which is quite popular. This is a mock interview program. This is the 8th year we are running, and every year becoming more popular with the students. We collect, we asked to provide panels in this year, 8 verticals, to prepare the students for the interview for the final placement. And nearly 3,000 students out of about 800 people will be going for the jobs. 300 students took part. And we had interview panels, about 35 interview panels, both alumni and non-alumni. And it was quite successful. All the students appreciated the work. And looking at the placement, maybe IIT Alumni Association also can claim some credit for good placement of IIT Madras. And we are getting the feedback on how the students are prepared or unprepared for these sort of job interviews. And we are going to have a talk with director to see whether our chaps can be more job ready at the interview so that we have a much better placement. Other one is Alumni Care. We have produced the second one. Third, this IIT group insurance scheme. I don't know how many of you are having the scheme. Especially as you grow older, you need a health insurance scheme, unless provided by your organization. And this has become popular. 118 people have joined this year. And claims, the settlement of claims is quite good. That's why we are getting more popular. Actually, other IIT alumni also want to join this thing. So we are trying to make it sort of pan-IIT alumni for group insurance for the entire thing, run by IIT Madras Alumni Association. Yeah. These are the small things we do with TVS and Jodi 65, job postings on the website. Yeah, this is details. And it's a corrected pro rata every quarter. So it starts from July to June. So July, if you're joining, you pay the full premium. If you're joining later, you pay lesser premium. But I highly recommend this because we have been associated with Star Health Scheme, and the settlement so far has been very good. I think we nearly about 10-15 lakhs we paid out this year, more or less equal to the premium amount. Yeah, I mentioned this. And group mentoring is a concept we have. We are having group mentoring sessions for the people who want to go into, say, non-core industries. There's a lot of demand for IIT students to get into finance, consultancy, and UPSC, government jobs. So we had group mentoring for people from that area, 4 from each area of finance, consultancy, and government. And it was quite popular, and this hall was full whenever we held those sessions. And I don't know whether it's a good thing or bad thing, but there is a tendency towards finance and consultancy more in this year. Yeah. Yeah, next. So mock interviews, especially good alumni in Chennai, please volunteer, because sometimes some verticals we run out of people to the panels. We really have to scrounge around. So if you are volunteering for this, we'll send you a notice around, say, September of every year. And anybody experts in their particular fields, if we can devote 2 days of your time to prepare the students for their jobs, that will be a good gesture. Yeah, next. Next. This is Avanti. This is one of the Pan IIT initiatives. This is sort of IIT students teaching the underprivileged to prepare for the various education levels. Avanti Fellows. This is supported by Pan IIT All India. And this is our secretary addressing the Avanti people. They came here to see how IIT works, and so that at least some of them get inspired to join IITs in the later stage. Yeah, these are the usual challenges we have. We need a good program, crowd puller who is not very costly, so that we can get all the alumni at least in Chennai. Because any event we have, we don't get more than 120. I don't know, mostly at least 3,000 alumni in Chennai across the batches. And getting 150, 130 is a very small number. We want to fill up the auditoriums, but we are looking for a good magnet which can attract all the alumni to take part in these events. And of course, inclusive development, PGs and women alumni. We are trying very hard, but if you guys have any magic formula to attract this group, these groups will be very good. Yeah, same story, right. Especially the last one, we solicited, if your friends are not registered, please let us know, or please let him know so that he can register. So simple website, iitma.org. Get registered, get all the information about IIT and the alumni. Yeah, we have prepared 2 videos of good socially relevant work done by alumni. And we need, I mean, I'm sure there are a lot of IIT alumni who are doing good work on silently. If they want some publicity so that they get more, raise more funds or expand their activities, please let us know. We'll produce a video including their activities, and that will give them some good recognition and maybe fundraising. Yeah, thank you and keep in touch. Anything you need, please contact us. We are there to help you. Anything. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Today is a day back into history for all the honorable alumni present here. Hence, I request the entire batch of 1987 to come on the dais and present themselves.
Excuse me, I think 87 batch, can I have some, I think there are a batch coordinator who are supposed to, okay. Yes, I don't think it's a good idea. No? Can I just use the podium? Yeah, please.
Batch of 87, please take your seats. We are not going to fit up here anyway, we'll be on the floor, so please take your seats.